Welcome to our channel Learning Has No Limit. In today's video, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in a simple, smart, and confident way. Whether you are a student, a fresher, or preparing for an interview, this video will help you present yourself effectively. So let's begin and learn the best way to give your self introduction. Good morning, sir, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nidhi Chauhan, and I am from Noida Sector 4. I have recently completed my Bachelor of Technology (B.Tech) from Delhi University, where I gained both theoretical knowledge and practical understanding of engineering concepts. My time at the university not only strengthened my technical skills but also helped me develop strong analytical thinking and a problem solving attitude. During my BTech journey, I worked on several academic and mini projects which helped me understand practical applications of engineering. These projects taught me how to identify a problem, break it into smaller parts, and work toward efficient solutions. I also learned how to collaborate with teammates, handle responsibilities, and meet deadlines effectively. One of my major learning outcomes from engineering has been the ability to approach challenges logically and patiently. Whether it was coding, circuit designing, data analysis, or troubleshooting, I always tried to go to the root of the problem rather than jumping to conclusions. This habit has made me more detail oriented and disciplined. Talking about my skills, I have a good foundation in communication, teamwork, basic programming, analytical thinking, and adaptability. I have worked with tools and concepts like MS Office, internet research, documentation, and basic coding skills depending on my branch. As a fresher, I am actively learning new skills to prepare myself better for the industry. I believe in continuous learning and updating myself with modern technology. I would describe myself as a positive, calm, and responsible person. I believe that success comes through consistent effort and the willingness to improve. My biggest strengths include being a quick learner, a good listener, and someone who takes feedback seriously. I'm also good at managing time, organizing tasks, and staying focused under pressure. Growing up in Noida sector 4 inches a supportive family environment taught me values like honesty, discipline, and hard work from a very young age. My family has always encouraged me to stay grounded and committed to my goals, no matter how difficult the situation is. These values motivate me to stay positive and give my best in every responsibility I take up. Apart from academics, I enjoy reading motivational books, exploring technical content online, and listening to inspiring talks. These habits help me stay updated and mentally strong. I also enjoy fitness activities, music, and spending time with nature, which keeps me balanced and refreshed. As a fresher, I know that I may not have corporate experience yet, but I have the passion and determination to learn and grow. I am eager to join a professional environment where I can enhance my skills, gain practical exposure, and contribute positively to the organization. I strongly believe that with proper guidance and training, I can quickly adapt to the work culture and deliver quality results. My short term goal is to secure a good position in your organization where I can start my career and learn directly from industry professionals. My long term goal is to develop expertise in my domain, take on more responsibilities, and grow into a role where I can make meaningful contributions to the company's success. In history class, we learned that the Industrial Revolution changed the way people worked and lived. It introduced new machinery, improved transportation, and led to the growth of cities. It was a pivotal moment in shaping the modern world. That's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching. We will meet again with another new and interesting topic. Keep watching, learning has no limit. And don't forget to share your views in the comment section. See you in the next video.